We'll look at how to change your duration. You can see this duration here. This is in hours. We'll look at how to change it from hours to days. Okay. The reason for this is that one, in short term projects, they track it in hours. So it means your duration will be in hours if you are working on short term projects. Why in ordinary project like building projects, they work in days. It means this duration here will be showing us days. Then you can decide to keep this H, which is the label, to tell us whether it's in hour or in days. That, or you decide to remove it. Okay, let's just walk through it. So first step is click on edit. Second step, you click on user preference. Remember, we are changing from hours to days now. I click on user preference. Under user preference, you see unit of time. This one must be in hours. Take note. While under here, you see label. Label, if you want it to indicate it, good. If you don't want, you leave it here. We don't want to indicate it. While this one is duration format. This is where you specify whether you want your project to be calculating in hour or to display day. So here now, I will now say I want day. So if I say I want day, if I don't want to see the abbreviation H, which is this abbreviation, if I don't want to see this, right now I say day should be D. If I don't want to see it, I uncheck this. But let's leave it for now. Look at the way you see it. You see day, the number, and you see the day. If I click on close, you see it has changed. You see 1 day, 2 days. Remember, there is a roundup here. If before if it was 2 hours, it will write 1 day because there is no decimal point. It doesn't take decimal point. Okay. If I want to change it back or I want to remove the D, I click here, click on edit, click on user preference. I will remove this label, right? I will close it. You see it has disappeared. Okay, so this is how you talk. But if you want to take it back to hours, I will go back again, click on user preference. I will come back here, I will say hours. So this is how you toggle between it. So when you say hours now, this, because this is calculating with a, let's look at the calendar. Okay, so let's look at the calendar. This is 22 hours. This 22 hours. This 1888 hours. Okay, so that's just how it's actually toggling the schedule. Okay, so we can investigate this calendar further, right? We can click on project, we can click on enterprise, click on calendar. Let's check this calendar we are using. 5 days calendar, click on modify. Okay, that's okay. All right, this is just pretty hard to change hours